It is third period here at KIT Iizuka, English 2 C. This is, as you can see on the screen, class number 12. Let me bring this over to my iPad. Sorry about that. When I can get this to my iPad, there we are. Okay, and I'll explain what we have to do. I have a few things that we have to do this week. Your assignments are not very much. If you take a look at the entire list, basically you have a grammar quiz and the reflection. That's it. The grammar quiz, you've already done one of these before. You have 3 chances at it. Take all 3 chances, Moodle will remember your best score. The reflection, that's due this Friday. Write that down. Take a picture of your writing and send it up. That topic is South Korea. And that's actually kind of interesting because what they're talking about, the problems with South Korea are very similar to the problems with Japan. So something for you to think about. Now, for this week, we've got the Quizlet that I want you to do. So we'll be studying that. But before we do the Quizlet, actually, let me go back to the list again. Before we go back to the Quizlet, I want to do this one assignment. Now, this is your partner name and student submission for the final test. Okay, now that final test is on July 31st, and where we have a final conversation test. We've been starting to practice this a little bit, looking at those 10 topics that you have to do. But that final conversation test will be July 31st, and it will be done as a group test. And the groups are generally going to be 4 people in a group. Now, what I want you to do with this, not with this one, but let me just go back here. With today's, there we are, partner name and student submission, I want you to choose one person, anybody that you like, anybody that you think is a good partner, maybe somebody who speaks English really well. Choose one person, and that person's name, I want you to put their name as your partner into this, okay? Now, I want you to write it in Roman letters. That makes it much easier for me. Roman letters, okay? So don't use kanji, don't use hiragana. So put your name in Roman letters plus the student number, okay? So you'll put in your partner's name, your partner will put in your name, and then that way you'll have a partner. I will take each of these partners. So here's one pair, put them together, and on the day of the test, I will tell you which are the groups for your 4-person group. I don't tell you the groups until the day of the test. I want that to be a surprise. So you know who your partner is, but you don't know who the other 2 people are. All you know is that this is your partner and you have to work together, but then on the day of the test, 2 more people, you make a 4-person group. Okay. After that, let's go back here to this list. After that, one more thing. Oh no, that's not it. Here we are. The cruise semester feedback. This is for me. This is just for me. This is not for the university, but I just want you to be able to tell me your honest opinions about the class. Now, for example, if you look here, the questions themselves, they're very basic, okay? What needs to be improved about this class, or what is good about this class? And I wrote it in English and Japanese because I want you to feel like you can answer completely. If you can write in English, write in English. If you want to write in Japanese, because then you can explain your feelings a little bit more clearly, then please write in Japanese. But I want you to write honestly. So I don't know who wrote what. There were no names attached to this. This is anonymous, so you can write completely honestly, okay? So I think that was it. Those are the only ones that we have for this week. Yeah, Quizlet, your grammar quiz and your reflection. And today we're going to do the partner quiz and semester feedback. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and speak to me at the end or at the beginning of every class. Okay, let's have a good class, everyone.